Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Today is day 8 on the carnivore diet. So I'm doing 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan as an experiment on my own body. So today's day 8. Last night I fell asleep on the couch and I was out for 12 hours. I slept so hard. I also felt really sweaty when I woke up, and also my eyes were dry and crusty and gooey and gross when I got up. Guaranteed I am oxalate dumping. Guaranteed. I don't have another explanation for that because they're never like that. Well, I won't say never, but this was hardcore. And my lower back, my belly, and my foot are all moderately better. So I'm pretty excited about that. So there's a little bit of progress here a week in. I also weighed myself today. This morning when I weighed myself, I was 170. So I'm down 5 pounds from last week on day 1. Day 1 I was 175. Day 8, I am 170. So that's kind of cool. It's probably all water weight though, but that's okay. I can dig it. I forgot to mention yesterday when I was doing yoga in the park. After the yoga in the park situation, I had some kombucha. I know that's not a carnivore diet thing, but it was so hot. I ran out of water and it looked so refreshing. So I had some, and it actually helped my stomach a little bit yesterday too. So I didn't feel any adverse reaction to it. It actually was beneficial. So what I'm eating today is the last of my egg muffins. So I put butter on them just like you would a regular muffin. And these are cold, but it was so good. I loved it. And I'm sharing a steak with my son because I just can't eat the whole thing. Yeah, it was too big. And that's all I'm eating today. So I had 3 of these, guys. And I like that recipe or method because it's good to just prepare and then keep in the fridge. Yeah, so I'm just having some steak and egg muffins today. And that's all I've had. I'm really not hungry. It's really strange. Strange but good. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a long walk tonight and then probably a walk in the morning. And then we'll see how things go from there. I think that's all I needed to mention. Yep, 170 pounds, day 8. It's going in the right direction for my goals. So I'll talk to you guys later.